Welcome home, Ray. Ta-da! Reveal.
Dinner!
And see? What?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another vlog. Today's vlog is something very special because I'm on my way to the airport to pick someone. Drum rolls! I'm on my way to pick up my mom from the airport. I'm meeting her after like 7 years. I know it's a long time. Mommy, I'm on my way to the airport. We're gonna pick up a bouquet first, especially airport Zansu. She loves lilies, so hopefully on the way go flower shop flower shop lily no so airport I'll go and check. Airport crowded right so now I'm waiting for her. She's already landed. I'm snacking on a bar right now. I couldn't get Lily, sadly. So I got Rose and the Khada. I got a seat Nama because it's very crowded. Mommy! Over the Welcome to Nepal. के हो यस्तो यङ भएर आउने झन् ओजे ए उसलाई कोले माया गर ले
1, 2, 3.
Welcome home, Mom.
Welcome home, Ray.
Hey.
Welcome home, Ray.
This is my birthday gift from Mom. I've been wanting this camera. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo and I've been wanting this camera for so long. It's my birthday gift. I was wanting to get it myself, but they got it for me. I am so grateful. I actually want to do a test vlog and I want to talk about this camera and my experience still first impression type go. But I don't know. मेरो छ नि कस्तो मलाई जिंक एलर्जी छ के अनि अरु त्यो इयरिङहरु जुन चाहिँ गोल्ड प्लेटेड हुँदैन नि त्यसो लगाए भने मलाई कस्तो त्यो एकै दिनमा एलर्जी आइहाल्छ कस्तो पेनफुल हुन्छ अनि I don't like it. I think this is the camera. By the way, it's a creator combo. You can just get the camera itself. Camera चाहिँ यत्रो नै हुन्छ. You can just get the camera or get a creator combo. But I think मैले research गरे अनुसार चाहिँ creator combo लिएको नै it's better. This is the camera. यो चाहिँ this is the camera. What is this? यसरी जोड्ने अर्को पनि छ. The extra battery. अब यो चार्जरहरु सक्यो भने चाहिँ you just attach this and this little thing चाहिँ यसको actual base हो. When you don't want to use this battery, this is the base. तल चाहिँ attach the tripod. यसको actual setup भयो. त्यसपछि यो चाहिँ I think it's the lens case, lens protector रहेछ. Ani, the most cute part. It also comes with a mic, like attachable mic, and this thing for the mic. Ani handle. This is the charging cable. I think that's it. Let's try and open this camera. It opens. Oh my god. Wait. SD card say it's not included in the combo kit. यो चाहिँ 256 GB को all set. अहिले चाहिँ मैले iPhone 14 Pro Max को cinematic mode बाट खिचिरहेको छु. This is also fine. Cinematic and wide angle is fine phone बाट पनि. If you're thinking of vlogging, and to turn on this camera, you just need to do this and ta-da! It's open. I wanna record in 4K settings, so my 4K and select and anything. That is fine, no? But we're gonna switch from iPhone to this camera. I think I need to turn on the mic too. Hello, mic testing. म यो कस्तो बज्नेवाला चेयरमा बसेको रहेछ कि बेटा. Hello, mic testing. मेरो यो पछाडिको सेटअप चाहिँ यस्तो थियो क्यामेरा के अरे फोनको. मैले वाइड लेन्स अट्याच गरेको छैन, but it still looks wide to me. I think when I'm outdoors त्यति बेला नै shoot गर्छु. I don't know if we'll be going out आज, so maybe tomorrow or बेलुकी. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. यो चाहिँ मेरो test vlog नै हुन्छ. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I am so excited. अब यो माइकबाट audio quality पनि it's gonna be so nice because when you're shooting, especially outdoor, हैन, नोइजहरू हुन्छ नि त, अनि अगाडि क्यामेराको अगाडि आएर बोल्नुपर्छ. So I have this mic now. सानो स्क्रिनमा चाहिँ I can't really tell how I am looking or the quality difference भनेर, but you guys will see. And when we go out, I'll keep you guys updated definitely. Hi guys, we're here in New Road. And first thing we need to get hair color because I'm thinking of getting hair extensions. Mom is gonna do it for me because she's really good at hair. She was a hairdresser as well. And the mommy. अनि अहिले चाहिँ हामी न्यू रोडमा छ हैन, but I didn't realize कि दशैंले गर्दा even today is Saturday अनि यस्तो अहिले यता भिड नरहेछ. It's like so crowded. यता चाहिँ अलि क्राउड कम छ. अब हामी फर्स्ट थिङ कलर लिएर कहाँ जाने? त्यहाँ आई थिंक के छ जस्तो छ. Hello guys, we got our wigs. So यहाँ न्यू रोडमा चाहिँ आज डेन्जर भिड रहेछ के. सो हामी आई थिंक के गर्न मन छ तपाईलाई? I'm just wondering के गर्ने भनेर सोचिरहेको. बिकज जताततै यति धेरै मान्छे छ अनि आई थिंक रेस्टुरेन्ट्सहरू पनि धेरै जस्तो प्याक नै छ. वाट सुड वी डु? किनभने आज हामीले गर्नुपर्ने काम चाहिँ खासै गर्न मिलेन. सामानहरू लिन जानुपर्ने थियो अनि वी नीड टु गो भाटभाटिनी एज वेल. तर न्यू रोडबाट कताको भाटभाटिनी नजिक छ? लेट्स गेट आउट फ्रम हियर बिकज इट्स सो क्राउडेड. अहिले त देख्नुहुन्न हैन, त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ इट्स क्राउडेड. I don't know, is it because in the jatra? तर in the jatra त सकिसक्यो हैन. तपाईं नेवार हैन? By the way, तपाईहरुलाई थाहा छ कि छैन? I don't know if you guys know this about me. I am half Newar, half Shrestha because my mom is Shrestha, so that makes me a mix of Shrestha and Gurung. धेरै जसोलाई चाहिँ थाहा छैन यो. अब हामी यो भिडबाट छिटो निस्किन्छु guys. See you guys later. Ta-da! Reveal. अहिले मेरो throat अलिकति बिग्रिसक्यो, but this is the final result. It is looking so beautiful. I'm not used to this hair किनभने मेरो already कपाल डेन्जर बाक्लो छ नि. अनि यो जोडेर झन् मेरो कपाल त wait यत्रो बाक्लो छ अनि I'm not used to it. By the way, this extension is tape-in extensions. अनि यो यस्तो देखिँदैन यतिकै चाहिँ कसरी देखाउँ गर्नुभयो अनि माथि त्यो हाई पोनी नि गर्न मिल्दैन बाँध्यो भने यतिको I'm so not used to this. मलाई चाहिँ एकदम हेयर बनाउन हेयर स्टाइल गर्न भन्छ मलाई अल्छी लाग्छ कि to curl my hair and everything अनि जहिले नि म either like straight नै छोड्छु मैले कपाल मेरो छोटो हुँदा or sleek hair. That was my go-to hairstyle. That's it about my hair. अनि अहिले चाहिँ it is 6:45 अनि हामी डोमाको घर जान लाग्छौँ. She has invited us for dinner. Sadly Sunday is not going. तिमीलाई जान मन छ? सन्डेलाई लानु हुन्थ्यो तर सन्डे र मेमी झगडा गर्छ फेरि है तिमीहरू त डग एन्ड क्याट जस्तो छ नि तिमीलाई जान मन छ पप्पी आइज देखाएको तिमीले हो Also about the test vlog हामी त्यस्तो आज घरबाट बाहिर निस्केको छैन नि आज मेरो कपालले गर्दा धेरै टाइम लाग्यो अनि my mom she was tired travel गरेर यताउता so we didn't go out so test vlog भनेर त्यो बाहिरको सिनरी एन्ड एभ्रिथिङ चाहिँ मैले क्याप्चर गर्नु पाएन हिजो खास क्याप्चर गर्छु सोचेको थिएँ बट देन बसन्तपुरमा इट वाज सो भिड सो केही पनि गर्नु पाएन यो होल भिडियोलाई नै तपाईँहरू टेस्ट भ्लग मान्नु आई स्टिल ह्याभ टु डु त्यो वाइड एङ्गल के त्यसमा आई थिङ्क डे टाइममा नै गर्छ है डान्सर Also, the cool feature about this camera is मैले यो ट्रिपल ट्याप गऱ्यो भने एक्टिभ ट्र्याक इनेबल हुन्छ अनि मैले यो क्यामेरा यही छ है इफ आई मुभ द क्यामेरा विल फलो मी सो द्याट्स द cool feature about this camera अनि मैले कतै लाइक अर्को के लिए त
कलर एउटै हो होला नि मलाई पछाको
We are back. I'm gonna show you guys what I got for PR unboxing. What I did was brandहरूले reach out गर्नु भएको बेला चाहिँ मैले delivery location चाहिँ mom को दिए because she lives in Australia अनि पहिला चाहिँ मैले नेपालकै delivery address दिन्थे but then मेरो 2-3 चोटि चाहिँ PR package आउँछ नि अनि सामान चाहिँ पोस्ट अफिसमा अब DHL गरेर आउने सामानहरु चाहिँ सेफ बट देन त्यो कुनै चाहिँ पोस्ट अफिसमा गएर त्यहाँबाट फर्दर नै नजाने अनि फोन कल पनि नआउने So I didn't get my packages. So for the safety reasons, मैले चाहिँ since like mom was coming Nepal soon, so मैले चाहिँ mom को address मा पठाएको थिएँ सबै सामान अनि एकैचोटि देख्न पाएँ मैले PR packagesहरु पनि. So PR packagesहरु चाहिँ I will show you guys what I got भनेर because I was so excited to see everything. यो ब्रान्डहरु चाहिँ सबै international brandsहरु नै हो. म तपाईहरुलाई देखाउँछु. First package is from DJI London and I'm so excited to open it. I've already opened it and I've already seen this. This is like a dream collab. They reached out to me through email and I am so grateful. I don't know how they found me. Dear Sadiksha, we hope you love our new DJI bag and we can't wait to see you style it. Best wishes, she and the DJI team. This bag is actually from their summer collection. The name of the bag, you design say the Midi New York tote. I think it's the Midi New York tote. It is so gorgeous. Look how gorgeous this bag is. I can't wait to style it. You bag say अलि त्यो formal, not really formal, तर त्यो old money kind of fits हरुमा राम्रो देख्छ. I can't wait to style it. This one is my favorite one from all the dresses. You guys are not ready for this dress. Oh my god, the detailing, can you guys see? The fabric, the detailing, isko fabric pani and how it's made and it's actually heavy. अनि यो छ नि कस्तो त्यो body fitted or really like the body hugging type ko cha ki. अनि actually I had ordered this for my birthday, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear it. Not sure. It is so pretty. I can't wait to wear it. Like even if I don't wear it on my birthday, I can save this for like special occasions, special events. And they sent me a card too. Thank you so much. This is super cute. I especially love this. Quality is so nice. There is also rhinestoney like ziri type of dresses and this was more like a subtle. But this is so nice and I was not expecting the quality to be so good. Next top is from Miss Lola. Your brand say more like heels, sandals or collagio, and they also have few dresses and clothing pieces or bunny and also like accessories or and they sent me 3 pairs of heels and 1 pair of flats. I'll show you guys. Let's start with the flat sandal. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh my god. Kasto tyo vacation ma jadakeri this would be so perfect. Gold cha haina yo, but tyo ani champagne type of gold. Next is this sandal. Look at the detailing on यसको quality छ नि, it's like त्यस्तो अग्लो पनि छैन. This quality is so nice. कस्तो राम्रो के. I had a similar one पहिला, but obviously मेरो छोरा Sunday टोक्दिएको थियो, so this is a similar looking heel to that, and that was my favorite one. Okay, so I'm so glad that I have something similar. I can wear it for my birthday, which is coming soon. Look at this beauty. It's more on the high heel side, but it's kind of comfortable. I'm not a heel person. I'm a heel person, but this on high heel I cannot. It's a lovely piece to have in your collection. I can wear it on like a special occasion, dates, birthday, whatever. Every day I used to the iron, of course. This is one of my fave too. This is also my fave. Your heel it's quite ugly, but it is comfortable. And look how pretty this is. And the next thing is this bag. Look how gorgeous this bag is. Imagine but the quality, it's so nice, and this would be such a good statement piece. Like if you're wearing a plain white dress, this would be so nice. I can't wait to style everything. So Miss Lola sent me this dress. I say you dress choose gareko thiena, but pathaidinu bhayo. It gives those Zara dresses or vibes. And I know you made a body map perfectly fit. I am so excited because I have so many dresses. And last piece, I chose this one. This is a swimwear piece bikini wear from Miss Lola. Look at the gold details. Excuse my nails. Top, super cute. I'm liking the gold details. Next up, we have another clothing brand. It's from Commence. First item, I was waiting on this one. This is the top. You can also tie it in the back. Halter waistcoat top and a long skirt to go with it. And this would look really good with the bag too. And the fabric is also nice. I was thinking you linen hola bhanero. But I don't know, it's different. It's not linen, but looks like linen. I don't know good fabric or anything, but it's nice. This is nice. Oh wait, Miss Lola got a dress right here. It is a dress. It is a satin dress, but it's got front part. This is another cord set from Comments in satin cord. and this is super cute. This is the top, agadiko and pachadiko, super cute. And अर्को dress from comments. This is super cute. यो चाहिँ यहाँसम्म आउँछ हैन अनि तल गएर चाहिँ फर्र हुन्छ के. When you try it on, it's gonna look really amazing. मैले try नै गरेको छैन के, but I'm sure it's gonna be a perfect fit. यो चाहिँ Mika's go first piece. Look at this bodycon dress. It is so cute.